What am I saying? Hey guys, this is Ethan from Nextbase, and today we're at CarFest. Let me take you behind the scenes and show you what we're up to. We're going to be asking a bunch of questions. If you get these questions right, you're going to win a dash cam. Okay? First question. What's the best benefit of having a dash cam?
I would say the best benefit is if you ever have any kind of incident or anything, it's covered and your insurance, you can swim straight away what's happened.
I was going to say drop my car insurance price. If
Some
idiot drives into me and it's not my fault, I'll be able to prove it.
Absolutely. Yeah, that's a pretty good answer. What does SUV stand for?
Sports utility vehicle.
Whoa! That's pretty good.
Okay.
What does ABS stand for?
Anti-lock braking system.
That is correct. You've just won yourself a Nextbase dash cam.
Covering up your tracks. Spend all your days running away. You gotta watch your back, and that's the facts. You spend so much of your life scheming and trying to get over. Got you wondering why you come around. All you get is cold shoulder.